Hi there, I've just bought these new earphones in rose gold. My partner has a pair in black and they work really well and have lasted ages, so I wanted to get my own pair in the pink. In the box you get your really nicely designed charging case, user manual, USB-C cable to charge up the carry case, your earphones and some silicone earplugs in 3 sizes so you can adjust them to fit your own comfort, which is also designed to help you achieve a better sound quality that fits around your own ears. These connect via Bluetooth and have a good range of them of up to 15 metres, so you can use them all around the house without having to carry your phone about with you. The carry case is light and small, so it is easy to use when travelling and can just slot into your pocket or bag with convenience. It also charges up the earphones when not in use and can support up to 30 hours of usage, with the earphones offering up to 8 hours of use in a single charge. I really love the look of these as well, with the white earphones and the pink on the back of them. You can also take calls using these earphones, making them a practical choice, as well as being able to use them for your usual listening to music, podcasts or books. You can control the earphones with the Smart Touch design, which you use to accept calls, manage your music and volume, or to activate Siri. Overall, I think these look really smart and have a great design, and I'm looking forward to using them. I hope this helps and thank you for watching.